Alright, well this will be a short video, but one of our tire places here is having their 25th anniversary locally, like, customer appreciation thing. And I guess it's like their 100 years as a company. So, apparently a bunch of people brought out some cool tractors. I like this M, that's cool. That's neat. It's called a M hot rod, if you will. Love the A with the canopy. Obviously kind of made for some tractor rides there. Super cool. Get another shot at this M over here. And then we got a B. And then this really caught my eye because there's not a lot of white farm equipment in our neck of the woods. So this 270, got the weights up front. I like it. It's sharp. And then we got a couple of very nice Oilvers over here. Got the Super 77 and then the smaller 66. Which is pretty cool. Alright, so this white, I'm on the other side of it now. We have John Deere steps on it, so I guess, makes it easier to get on and off. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. I like the weights on the back. Yeah, got a rear view mirror, for tractor riding and stuff. So that's really cool. And then over here, I'm just gonna pause. Over here, we've got a couple others. All right, so just a couple more. Got the old Super H here and a Farmall F20. I always love the F20s. Now the F20 is chained to the guardrail, so they're tied to the guardrail. So I'm guessing the F20 tends to roll. Look at that though, that's nice. I like that a lot. Of course, on rubber, I've seen those on steel before. And then in the old Super H, of course. All right, well, it's a short little video, but I'm not gonna pass up some classic tractors. Catch y'all later.